Hey everyone, this is Jadash and I'm back with this new video where I will be explaining the different types of order, cover order, bracket order and aftermarket order. Also, I'll explain different types of trades that you can take in this order. Alright, so for that, I'll share you my screen. This is my screen and this is a trading platform. In the last video, I've explained the usage of these tools, how to use this for your leveraging. Alright, so in this video, I'll tell you how you can order. There are many ways to you can order. Okay, you can place an order. The first way that is straightforward is click on this market depth. What is a market depth? Basically it shows the number of people or the number of orders in that price. Okay, when these two numbers matches or the sell and the buy orders matches, a trade happens. So in this market depth you can select any one of them and you can sell at that price. All right, so straightforward. So this is the first way you can actually place an order, or you can open a order placement dialog. Okay, so hide this. Okay, I don't need it. The other thing, you can do it by clicking on this. Okay, so by clicking on this you can open the order placement dialog. The third thing is you can use Shift plus S by clicking on the chart and it will automatically open a sell dialog, and if you use Shift plus B it will open a buy dialog. So that's how you open the order placement dialog. Now after opening the order placement dialog, there are many options to choose from. So this video is specially for that, so that you don't get confused by looking in this option. Okay, all right, so the first thing you need to know is what are the different types of order, that different types of trade that you can do. All right, so the three different types of trade that you can do in FIRE's platform is intraday, CNC and margin. The third part is not that all not all necessary to understand. Okay, but it's better to know a little bit about that. But the first two is the important one. So first is the intraday. So what is the meaning of intraday? As the name suggests, it's a trading that happens within a day. Okay, so whatever positions you open up gets exited or gets squared off by the end of the day. All right, so that means if you are buying a stocks, then you have to sell it by the end of the day. All right, that's the meaning of intraday. You have to, that is necessary, and it will automatically do if you don't do it. All right, so take care. I mean, before even setting the order, look into the options that you have selected. All right, so the next one is CNC. CNC stands for cash and carry. So what is the meaning of cash and carry? Cash and carry means that if you give the cash corresponding to the stocks, that is if you are paying in full amount for the stocks, then you can actually carry and keep it in your trading account as long as you want. All right, so if you are paying 739, then you can buy the stock of Tata Chemical, or you can buy the stocks of SBI by paying 390 and keep it in your trading account as long as you want. Maybe it is 1 month, 2 years or 3 years. It totally depends on you when you want to sell it. All right, so in cash and carry you can't go short. I mean, you can't sell it without even having a holding. That means without having any stock, you can't sell it. All right, so remember this. In intraday you can sell it even if you don't have the stocks, because anyway in the end of the day it will get squared off. That means in the price, in the end of the day, whatever the price of the stock, it will buy in that price, and and it will fulfill the sell or the short position that you have taken in the day. All right, so in intraday you can go short and long, but in trading you can go only long. All right, so that's the meaning of CNC, cash and carry. And the third one is margin. So basically I'll show you my screen. Margin stands for leverage that you get. Okay, it's a benefit that the trading platform provides to the user. So every platform has different margin. Okay, for Zerodha it will be different, Upstocks it will be different. I'm using FIRE's, for FIRE's it will be different. Okay, so you can come here and you can search your stocks. Like I'll search for SBIN. So it will give me some multiplier. That means if I want to buy, if I want to buy a SBI stock, I just have to pay 1 1 by 8.5 of that stock. That means if I want to buy 85 stocks, I just have to pay for the 10 stocks. Alright, that's the meaning of margin or the intraday multiplier. So if you buy using margin, you don't have to pay for the 85 stocks, you just have to pay for the 10 stocks. That's the meaning of margin. Okay, so margin is applicable only for the single day trade. Alright, so yep, so that's the meaning of margin. Now if you are buying intraday and if you are selecting CO, BO, anything, margin will automatically be applied to your intraday. Okay, so you don't have to take care of this. So that this is I mean, I guess it's useless only. So let's focus on this two. So intraday and CNC. In CNC you have this many order types, okay, and validity types. What is the validity type? So its validity type means it is valid for the entire day. If the order that you are actually doing, you are setting an order, right? So that is valid for the entire day. Or IUC. IUC is immediate or cancel. If the order is executed immediately, then only the order is successful, or else it will get cancelled. The order won't sustain for the day. Okay, so generally people use validity day, right? IOC is not being used that much, but if you are extra care of the prices, then you can take this. All right, so this is the meaning of IOC. Now in CNC you have this many types: market, limit, stop limit, and stop. So what is the meaning of market? As the name suggests, you don't have to define anything, you just have to define how many stocks you want to buy. Okay, and disclosed quantity is basically the quantity that will be disclosed to the stock exchange. All right, so you see this market depth, right? You have this market depth where the number of orders will be visible. So your disclosed quantity will also add up to the numbers of quantity. Okay, until and unless you don't want to disclose, you can your quantity will not be disclosed to the market. So the disclosed quantity will be 10% of the quantity, that is 1, right? So you have to select 10%, that is 1. Now if you want to disclose the entire quantity, you can disclose it. Okay, so and then you can sell it. Right now market is closed, so it will be cancelled, it will be rejected. Okay, so now the second thing is limit. What is limit? For market, whatever the price of the stock in that point of time, it will automatically buy in that price. All right, so if the price here is, if you can see the price here is 733.90, the market will automatically buy stocks at that price. Okay, so but if in a fraction of 7, if that price goes down 85.85, 733.85, it will buy at that price also. So remember, in the market order, whatever the price that the market offers, you will buy at that price. Okay, so you don't have an option to set the price. Similarly, in the limit order, you have the option to set the price. You can set the price at as per your ease. So if you want to buy at 739.6, you can set it up. But the problem in this, you can't sell at lower price. That is, you can't sell at 739.5. No, 739.4. All right, so this is the meaning of limit price. Okay, so market price stands for price of the current stock at the market. So in the market, and the limit price stands for if you want to buy at the specified price. So if you want to buy at exactly 739.5, in 739.5, then you buy at limit price. Okay, so this is the meaning of limit. Then you can sell it. You can toggle buy and sell by clicking on this. As you can see, I have clicked on this and it is now buy, so you are buying it. Now the third is stop. So for buying, you can't buy it as higher price, you can buy at lower price, you can buy at 45. Okay, because if you buy at higher price, you will be at loss, right? So you have an option to buy at a lower price. Okay, and also you can buy at the same price also, whatever the market price is, but you can buy at a higher price. If you put 60, it will not allow you to buy at a higher price. Okay, so that's the drawback of limit. Okay, but if you use stop, okay, so by any chance you have some stocks in your account, now you want to sell them, okay, or you have one short, you are deficit of 2 stocks or something and you want to buy them, then you can use this. So what is stop? You are just selling it if the market price, so you consider you have bought 2 stocks or 1 stocks at 739.5 rupees. Now you want to sell it at lower than this. I mean, if the market goes down, you want to put a stop loss, or you want to sell it automatically if the price hits that 739.45, sorry, 739.40. okay, you have bought the stock at 739.5, now you want to sell it 739.4 if the market hits, okay, if the price hits that, that means you are putting a stop loss to your price, right? So if you want to do that, then you can use it, because if you go to limit and if you want to sell at 739.4, it won't allow you because the current market price is 739.5, so it won't allow you. But in stop you can put lower price and then set it up this order. Okay, so this is a stop loss to your previous order. Okay, so you are setting it up by yourself. The limit is the same thing, limit price and stop price. Okay, it's the limit order with a stop. Okay, so that's the meaning of stop limit. Okay, now you have this types of order for the CNC. Okay, now you have this intraday. So in a single day, if you want to trade, then you have different types of order, more types of order. Okay, you have this 4 types already, but you have 4 more types in that type of order. Okay, in cover order, basically it's a cover to your order, or it's a stop loss to your order. So example, if you want to buy at market price, or if you want to buy at 739.5, so you don't want to do loss, so you will sell at 738, so you can put, okay, you are going short. So if you are buying a stocks at 739.5 and you want to sell it at 738, if it goes down, then you can set the stop loss. Okay, this is the meaning of cover order. So this actually covers your order. By any chance you have forgotten about the trades that you have taken and you are out of the platform, it will take care of the loss. I mean, if it hits 38, it will take care of the loss. Okay, so now you have this bracket order. In the bracket order, it not only takes care of the loss, it also takes care of the profit. So if I put stop loss of 1 and I want to buy stop loss of at 2 profit, so if the price hits 7, if this price hits 741.5, it will automatically sell, and if the price hits 738.5, and it will automatically sell. That means if it is going down, it will take care of the loss, and if it is going up, it will take care of the profit automatically. Okay, without your intervention. So you don't have to stick around with the platform and look at the prices. So in the aftermarket order, you actually can set the order even if the market is closed. Yes, if you think that you want to set an order for tomorrow's market, then you can set the order in the aftermarket order. You can set here CNC, and then you can set the limit price or the market price, or you can set the buy. your order reference has been created. So you can see the order in the order section, and this is a aftermarket order, and this will be executed tomorrow at, not tomorrow, it's Monday. So 2nd March 2021 at morning 9:15 this trade will be executed. So that's the meaning of our aftermarket order. So I don't want to be executed, like I don't want the trade to be executed, so I'll cancel it. Yeah, so it got cancelled. Alright, so all your orders and all your positions will be displayed here, and you can check it out here itself. Okay, and if you want to exit, you can click on cross, it will automatically exit. Right, so that's how you actually order. I hope I have explained all the things. If anything is left, validity I have explained. I have explained stop, limit, market, all the different types of order. I have explained regular order, CNC order, margin order, cover order. Cover order is the most used order type, and even you should also use this order, because without a cover order your order is not safe. All right, always use umbrella in a rain. All right, so you need to use cover order if you are doing any order, and it's better to have bracket order, because bracket order is better than cover order. So you want to book a profit, you can put the profit here, so 12 rupees profit or 2 rupees profit, and this will be my stop loss. Right, so that's how you book a bracket order. Bracket stands for opening and the closing bracket, and you your if the price is in between of them, it won't do anything. Whenever it hits the bracket, it will do buy, it will do sell if you have bought a stock, or it will do buy if you have sold a stock. So that's the meaning of bracket order. After market, I have already explained, if the market is closed, you can take this order. Okay, so these are the different types of order that you can take, right? And you can click on buy. Okay, and your orders will be created. All right, so I'll cancel this. So my orders are cancelled. Alright, so this is how you order from the dashboard. Right. Now the next thing I will explain is how you can set up a strategy, okay, and look for multiple scripts, or if you can look for multiple scripts, and if the uh, scripts hit, or if the scripts actually uh, are I mean fulfilling your conditions of that strategy, then you can buy from that scripts. Right, so see you up in the next video. Till then, bye.